everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for this delicious fresh strawberry bundt cake with white chocolate cream cheese frosting. This cake is so moist you definitely won't be able to stop at just one piece. So take a minute to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the bundt cake, 1 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 eggs, 4 tablespoons of white chocolate instant pudding mix, 2½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream, and 12 ounces of diced strawberries. For the white chocolate frosting you'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of white chocolate instant pudding mix, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. In a medium bowl, whisk 2½ cups of the flour, the pudding mix, baking soda, and salt together. Set aside. Beat the softened butter and the sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing in between. Alternate adding the flour mixture and the Greek yogurt to the butter mixture, mixing and scraping the sides of the bowl in between each addition. Place the chopped strawberries in a bowl and sprinkle with the remaining 1/4 cup of flour. Stir to coat the strawberries with the flour. This will keep the strawberries from sinking to the bottom of the pan. Gently fold the strawberries into the cake batter. Grease and flour a bundt pan and pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake the cake at 325 degrees for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool for 10 to 15 minutes, then invert it onto a cooling rack. Allow the cake to cool completely before frosting. While the cake is cooling, you can begin to make the white chocolate frosting. Beat the softened butter and the softened cream cheese in a stand mixer until light and fluffy. Mix in the vanilla extract, white chocolate instant pudding, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Continue to add powdered sugar 1 cup at a time. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix until your frosting reaches the desired consistency. Scoop the frosting into a large piping bag with a large round tip. Pipe lines of frosting over the top of the strawberry bundt cake. I hope you love this fresh strawberry bundt cake with white chocolate frosting as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.